In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Apple Pencil USB Type-C with your iPad. It's very easy, and this is done in just a few seconds because the only way you can connect it to it is by pulling up this small cap so it reveals the USB Type-C port. Take any USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. It does not come included, so I'll put links in the description to Amazon if you want to get one. Connect one end of this cable here and the other end will connect it to the USB Type-C port of your iPad. This pencil only works with iPads that has a USB Type-C connector instead of a Lightning connector, that is the older type that was used before. Once you connect both like this, you're gonna get a message over here, Apple Pencil, you see, and just after a few seconds, you're gonna get the battery life remaining in your pencil. You don't have to wait until it's fully charged. Right now it was at 40%. So when both of these are paired, you can go ahead and disconnect them. When time will come to charge them, you'll have to redo the same thing, and this is how this pen is getting charged, by connecting it to your iPad. Now, another thing I want to show you before ending this video is if you go into the settings menu here, if you go on the left side menu, go down, you're gonna find Apple Pencil. Click on this, and here you're gonna have multiple options that you'll be able to change because this pencil has many features and you can activate them and deactivate them by going into this menu that not many people know exists. First thing you need to check, first of all, is that your iPad is updated. Many people notice that after updating their iPad to the last version, the pen starts working. So over here, open the settings of your iPad, and on the left side, you're going to go into General, select General, and then over here, Software Update, click on this. Wait a few seconds, you need to be connected to the internet. And over here, you're going to see if your iPad needs an update or if you're on the last version. If yours is not at 17.2 and above, this Apple Pencil USB Type-C will not work. You absolutely need to update. So thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you in the next video.